Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Musicbed to Premiere Pro for synced tracks, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Musicbed to Premiere Pro for synced tracks, start by opening your Premiere Pro project. Ensure you have the Musicbed application installed on your computer. Next, log into your Musicbed account within the application. In Premiere Pro, navigate to the window menu and select Extensions. From the Extensions submenu, click on Musicbed. This will open the Musicbed panel within Premiere Pro. Browse through the selection of tracks available in the Musicbed panel. You can search for specific genres, moods, or keywords to find the perfect track. Once you find a track you like, hover over it and click the Add to Timeline button. The track will sync automatically, and it will be placed in your timeline. If you want to customize the audio, right-click on the track in the timeline. Choose Audio Gain to adjust the volume levels as needed. For precise editing, you can also split the audio clip in the timeline. To do this, position the playhead where you want to cut and press C to use the razor tool. You can now make any additional edits to your video as necessary. To finalize your project, always make sure to double-check your audio levels and track selections. Once everything is in place, you can export your project directly from Premiere Pro. And that's it, you've successfully connected Musicbed to Premiere Pro for synced tracks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.